Sergio here with Skinny Guy Campers. Welcome to Feature Friday, where we walk you around all the great features of our Skinny Guy camper. Hey everybody, Justice Sergio here again with another Feature Friday. Want to talk to you a little bit about the Truma Combi. Truma Combi is what the Skinny Guy camper uses for its heat and hot water. This is a combination unit, which means that it does both out of one unit. It is powered by LP and uses a small amount of electricity to fire the furnace and the water heater. But what I want to show you today is how it actually, some really simple functions on how to get your Truma going and operating for you when you're out camping and using your camper. In every one of our Skinny Guy campers, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to make this two-prong connection. This two-prong connection can be made near the kitchen. And the reason why this is important is because it has a sensor. And this sensor goes to the Truma and lets it know it's thermostatically controlled and lets it know that it's made a complete circuit. This is a safety feature in a lot of ways because the camper cannot run the Truma unless that is plugged in. And we don't want you running the furnace while the camper is closed. And this also is what helps regulate the temperature on the inside of the camper. If you ever get an error code, make sure that this is done first because will probably be the error that you're seeing. All right, in front of me is the Truma controller. The knob actually turns left or right. This is how you will select what function you need. There's a back button. This will take you back away from whatever function you're in. And you just slightly push it. This will turn the function on or off. So to get the control to come on, I give it a slow push. You're going to see a camper here. The camper is for the heat function. Next to that is the thermostat, which is for the hot water. And then a fan function. And this will actually turn the fan from low to high. Down here we also have timer functions. You can set a timer for your Truma for it to come on or off for hot water. The way the Truma works is you can push the button, you turn it left or right until you see what function you would like it to operate. Once you're on that, you also push the button again and select it. And then you can turn the button. In this case, we're going to be on heat. So I'm going to set my temperature to whatever heat that I want. And then once I get to that point, I'm going to go ahead and push the button again. And then the flame is going to appear above the line on the Truma controller. In order to shut that off, I'm going to be back on this function. I'm going to press it again. And then I'm going to turn it down until it says off. Press the button again. And you'll notice that the flame disappears. This is true for all of these functions, whether it be heat, hot water, or the fan. Down below, you can see that there is an error with the Truma. This is because I have unplugged the thermostat. So when you push the function and you actually scroll across and to hit this, it should give you some sort of code and give you an indication of what's going on with it. This is the code that says that the thermostat is unplugged, and you would need to plug that in before the Truma will operate. Hey, we appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments and we'll get them answered as soon as we can. If not, follow us on our Instagram and our Facebook. Also, check out our website. We have a lot of really great information there about the product, and we appreciate it. Thanks, guys.